Not nice. That's actually really nice.
Is it?
Hey up, confident crew. Today we are heading out to see if we can find Soraya some honeycomb. She has seen all these videos all over social media of people eating honeycomb and she wants to try it. My sister said that there's a shop that she knows of that apparently sells the honeycomb. So we're going to take a walk over there to see if we can find it and then get Soraya to try it. So Soraya, you trying to get some honeycomb?
Yeah, I'm so excited. But hopefully they do have it now. I'm so excited.
Let's go. There's a cold going around, so, and then it's...
My nose starts to get stuffy.
Right, let's see. Have you pressed it? Did you press it? I don't know. Oh, it's there, look.
Oh. I'm eating this.
Right, should we get it? Wow, there's so many different drinks.
Salted honeycomb flat white.
Hello.
Oh, it's like a tea.
Oh yeah, shake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you got the what?
I got the strawberry iced matcha.
Strawberry. Oh, there it is. Next to peach.
Oh yeah. Chatting. Look at all the sauces and syrups. Then if you like it. It's good though. Is it good?
Very much.
Is it? As I'm putting me in chairs.
Hey, confident crew, let's try honeycomb. I've been watching people like do ASMRs and try it, and I've been wanting it for absolutely years and years. Oh, bless you.
Sorry.
For years and years now. So now I try the chance I can. It's like strawberry jam.
Oh,
Smell it.
it definitely smells like honey. I don't know what you think strawberry jam smells like, but.
It smells so sweet.
So what do you have to do with this?
Just eat it.
Are your hands clean? Can you go and wash them? Because actually, I can have this honey in my tea after.
Anyway, we're back, so do you want to take a quick drink?
So what is it that you have to do with the honeycomb? Can you just eat it with the actual like comb pieces on it, or?
Yeah, you have to chew it, and then you have to spit the wax out.
Oh, okay.
I'm scared. Okay. the wax is so delicate, but it's hard. I think I've got to... Damn. Should I take a bite?
Yeah, go on then.
Here it goes.
Ew. Is it not? Is it not nice? What's going on? Is it not nice? No.
It's such a disappointment.
What were you expecting it to be like?
Something else than this.
Were you expecting it to be sweeter?
No, it's just way too sweet. Just...
Oh, okay. It's literally dripping off your lip.
I want to like it, but it's just too sweet for me to even taste anything.
Wow. And it didn't sound crunchy either.
Try it.
No, sir. I think honey is sweet anyway when I like add it to my tea, so I'm just...
Can I try another bite?
I mean, if you want, go for it.
Oh.
Careful.
Can you give me a tissue on the toilet? Because I want to spit it out. 3, 2...
Ew.
It's way too sweet.
I'm so confused at what you thought it was going to taste like.
I didn't know how it was going to taste like. So I just guessed a random thing, but I was so wrong.
Oh, well, never mind.
Try it, Mum, please.
No, I definitely can't.
Please.
Fine, I'll try it.
Spit it out on here if you want. It's not nice, is it?
That. That's actually really nice.
Is it?
You've got to taste honey. You've got to...
I'm gonna have another bite again. I don't know why.
You've got to... Like, I have honey every day in my tea. So for me, I have honey a lot, you know, and I've tried normal, like, clear honey from the shops. I've tried Manuka honey as well and stuff like that. So this is actually really nice. It's really sweet, of course, because you're having honey on its own, but the purpose of honey isn't to have it by itself. Do you get what I mean? But that is nice.
Really? You can take another bite?
No, I'm not taking a bite, but I would have it in, I would have it in stuff. I'd have it in my tea 100%. I'd add it to things like chicken and, do you know what I'm like? That's actually really nice honey.
Thank you guys for watching, and also if you guys know any other place that sells honeycomb, link it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and yeah.